Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So what we've got here is chicken, potatoes, some lovely Indian spices, dry fried. It takes no time at all. It's super easy, and of course, it is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, look, we're going to go straight in on this one. So I've got like 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm just using a corn oil, and I've got there 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And to that, we're going to add a chicken. I've got a whole chicken here. That's a 1 kg chicken, or 2.2 pound. Bone in, skin on. We're on an above medium heat, and we're going to stir fry this around for about 6 minutes or so. So what we've got there is chicken with the oil and just the cumin seeds. Now what we're going to do now, and by the way, you can see this chicken isn't cooked all the way. What we're going to do now is we're going to add in some potatoes. Now I've got roughly equal amounts in volume of the potato, and I've cut it into, you know, that size chunk. You can cut it into kind of long chunky chips if you want. And we're going to go again for about another 4 or 5 minutes on this above medium heat. Really simple, this one, and really delicious. So that's beautiful. So that's just the chicken, the potatoes, and the cumin seeds there. Really lovely. We're now going to get some salt in there. And I'm going to add 1 cup of onion. I'm going to keep frying around for another 3 or 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. I've got some fresh chilies here, which I've cut just down the middle, and I've kept the seeds in. You can take them out if you want. Then we've got some powders. Let's have a look. So I've got 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 2 teaspoons of chili. And to that, I'm also going to add 2 tomatoes that I've just quartered. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving all the time now. We don't want our spices to burn, because if they do, they get bitter. And we've got a really easy, beautiful chicken and potato, nice and spicy, dry fried, delicious. And that is absolutely banging. I've just topped that off with a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, on the top. Really simple, nice, lovely sort of dry fry, beautiful chicken, spicy potatoes. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe and keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.